una done my people. For dis video make I sharparly show una how you fit add currency for your figure for inside excel. The first thing wey you go do be say you go highlight dis the one wey you wan put the currency put. You go come here wey dem write general. E fit be say you dey one country wey be say na dat country currency you dey always use. If you come here now, come general, click on currency. See am now, naira don show for my own because me I dey Nigeria and na naira I dey work with most of the time. But you fit dey another country or you fit be business owner wey be say you dey collect money for different currency. So now dis one now I go come highlight am. Now dis one now na im we wan put US dollar. If I click dis one, na naira go show there again. You go come here, click dis one. See am, plenty things don show for here. You go come click dis one wey dem call currency. As you click am now, some things don show. You go come click dis one wey naira dey. You go come click am. E get so many other country currency wey dey there. Plenty currency dey there. For the one wey we wan do, na im be USD. I go come here, click on United States and den dollar don show. For dis one, we go click highlight again. Follow the same procedure for everything. Click currency. I go come find euro for dis one as to say na euro be dis one. So now I don see euro now, click am. Euro don show for dis one. And the last one na im be pounds. I go do the same procedure again. E don show. Na like dis you fit do am. I go see you for my next video. Bye.